Hello everybody, I'm Tilly Douglas from Visual Sense Crafts, and I want to show you today how to sew in these pesky ends on our knitting and crochet projects, because I don't like doing these ends and I know some people do, but I don't. So I found a quicker and easier way to do it, so I'm going to show you how you can do it too. So this is how I sew in all these ends, because especially with a project like this you get lots and lots of ends, so I found something that makes it very easy to do, and I found these Susan Bates finishing needles. Now I love Susan Bates crochet hooks, so when I found these I thought, oh, I've got to give those a go, and boy am I pleased I did, because they've made life so much easier with sewing in the ends. Now as you can see, there's 5 in a pack, and they come in obviously different sizes and different colours. Now when I first got these out of the pack I thought, oh gosh, they're a bit flimsy, they're not going to last 5 minutes, but they're actually stronger than they actually look, because I've had these for about 3 months and I've used them so much. And let me show you how they're flexible like this, look, and they have nice pointy ends to go through your stitching, and I've used them all the time. So I wanted to show you, I'm going to show you today with this, the thinnest one, so you can see how strong they actually are, because you can really open that quite wide. And obviously don't go pulling it apart and bending it, and because they will snap, they're plastic, but they are strong and do the job really well. So I've gone through this way because I do sew over my ends, or crochet over my ends as I go where I can, but sometimes you can't, because like on pieces like this one, it's just a chain or there's not much to crochet it through, you can't hide it, so you can't do it sometimes as you're going along, so you have to then do it both ways. So it's very easy to do that with these, because you just pick up, I've gone that way and now I'm going back through that way, sharp, just pushes straight through very, very easily. And then I just like to go back the other way a bit as well. Not straight through the same hole, of course, you have to make a slight adjustment there. Snip it off, and that's that one done. Move on to the next one. And the beauty of these is, if you've got poor eyesight and you struggle to thread needles, or you haven't got the mobility that you'd like in your hands, because a lot of us crafters, we suffer with our hands because of all the fiddly craft work and repetition that we do. So a lot of us do struggle. So sometimes to do the trying to thread little needles can be very difficult. You see how quick and easy that was? So this takes all that away. You don't have to worry about not being able to see, because look at that. Look how much that opens, and you just pull it through. And you can also do really little ends with this, because let me show you. Let me just cut this one off short. If I do it, I'll do it like that because I need some to put through. So you can do a little end, because you can pull it through, and then you don't have to do it with that end. You can do it with this end and just sew it through like that, straight through like that. How easy, even with the tiniest of ends. Snip it off and on to the next one. So you can see why I love these, and how they can really make your crochet or knitting life so much easier. Poke it through. I just love how sharp they are as well, you know. snag on itself, and that's that done. So I really would be interested to see how you get on with these, and I hope you like them as much as I do. So please let me know how you get on with them, and if you have any better ways that you think would help with sewing in your tails on your crochet knitting projects. Oh, also what these are also good for is if you've got a snag on a jumper, you know, or a cardigan where you want to sew back through. These are brilliant for that. So let me know in the comments below if you've got any better ways to sew in your ends, and I'd be very interested to see what you think of these. So if you found this video useful, then please like, subscribe and hit the little bell notification, then you'll get notified when I bring out new videos. So I hope that was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.